Hey guys, it's Dan the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm here in Las Vegas at the New York Hotel and Casino Las Vegas, where some viewers are in town and, invited me to go out to eat. So, yeah, I love having viewers join in on the videos, guys. It makes everything a lot more fun. So, no idea who they are. Let's just go eat. Come on now. Here we go. New York. They have a roller coaster. I've been on that roller coaster a couple of times. They have a all-day pass. One time I went on it 6 times in a row, and then my spine was like, oh my God. Yeah, it's a rough ride, guys. All right. All right, guys, I'm seated, and here are today's viewers, Dawn and Pat. All right.
Hello, we are from Wisconsin, and we came here to thaw out from the below zero winter and ran into Danny.
Yep, I'm Pat. What she said, it's a lot warmer here, and we're here to have a nice meal with Danny.
All right, Mexican guys. I brought my lactate, which expired March of 2023. Let's take a look at the menu.
So funny.
Hi.
It's me again.
Hi,
She's
nice-
on her way.
Oh,
Pizza's on
terrific.
her way.
Crystal, nice to meet you.
Yes, I'm the hostess.
Yes.
Pizza's gonna be your server, but she's on her way.
Okay, oh, no rush.
All right, just want to give you guys some more.
Okay,
Enjoy.
thanks.
Oh boy, whatever you want.
I want Chinese food. Oh, they don't have any.
don't have any.
No Chinese.
Oh, no Chinese. Oh, the Camarones Mexicanos. Hi, how are you? Lupita. That's a nice name. We just started looking at the menu. May I have a tap water with lemon? Okay. Oh, there's something called a skillet ribeye. Wow, cilantro. I never had a Mexican steak.
It's marinated green chili. It could be a little spicy, but probably not too spicy. Grilled peppers, onions.
Onions and fried potatoes.
Yeah, wow. Mexican ribeye. That could be the title of the video. Mexican ribeye. What can it possibly be?
Right.
That's the title of the video, guys. Mexican ribeye. It piques interest. People will be like, I never heard of such things. I heard of tacos, burritos, quesadillas. What the hell is a Mexican ribeye?
I've never.
So we're gonna find out today.
All right.
Only on Food and Travel with Danny the Medic, and anyone else who wants to eat this and take a picture. All right, get Mexican ribeye. Oh. Are these chips free?
That comes with the guacamole.
It comes with the guacamole. So there's nothing for free in this restaurant. Okay, water is free. Okay, just asking, because some places got like a bread basket. Some Mexican places bring you like chips and salsa for free, but they don't have that here.
You don't want to find anything like Vegas Boulevard.
Oh, true, true. Okay, I just gotta ask because you know I gotta know.
Mexican restaurant, they have it for free, but yeah.
Okay, but not here. Okay,
And I'll be right back with the guacamole.
all right, thank you. Ain't nothing for free here except for the tap water. Are you gonna make it? Oh wait, let me get it on camera. Let me get it on camera. Okay. Oh wait. Here. Yeah, he's making it, guys. He's making it. Oh, okay. He's making it. They should have told me. I would have set up the camera for this. Oh. Oh, looks so good. Oh my God, I gotta get in a little closer for this. I didn't know they make it for you here. Oh, look at that.
Jacket on it? I'm sorry? The lime?
Like a strainer? Keep the seeds on the line of it? Okay.
Wow, made with fresh avocados. Look at that.
What's that?
Where are you coming from? You remind me.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin?
Yep.
Okay. I used to have a friend from there when we went to school.
What?
From Wisconsin, I had a friend from there.
Oh.
Ruben. I remember him.
It's really cold there now.
Very cold to be here. It in Vegas is hot. It's gonna be hot this way. It's weird. Lime juice?
Yeah, that's a juicy one.
Fancy, a little fancy. Fancy. Alright.
Nice.
Amazing. Let's take a closer look.
Cactus and
Yeah, it's got cactus in it and shrimp and steak.
Did you say cactus?
Yep.
You can eat cactus?
Yep.
yeah. cactus ice cream is really good.
Wow, I never had such things.
It kind of tastes like green.
Man, that smells good.
All right, so let's try the guacamole thing. You know, it looks so easy to make. I can make my own at home. One day. All right, guacamole with chip. It's excellent, guys. Oh,
Very fresh.
yes. Much better than the Trader Joe guacamole I get. They kind of peel open and yeah, wow. This is really good, very flavorful. Hi. Yeah, so good. Yeah. Are you here to take our orders? Oh, all right. May I please have your skillet ribeye?
How you like to cook?
Medium rare.
Medium rare. Okay. Everything in there?
Oh, however it comes.
Okay. Any tortillas? Couple of corn tortillas?
Does it come with it?
Yes.
Flour?
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
We're gonna split the fajitas, but we'll go with the 3.
Chicken, steak, and shrimp? Green fried or black pepper?
We've got.
Flour or corn tortilla?
You want flour or corn? Corn? Corn.
On the rice, Mexican or black?
This dipping sauce is excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow. So excellent guacamole, excellent dipping sauce. The chips are nice and fresh and they're not even greasy or anything. 9 for this. Oh.
Wow.
That's nice.
Oh, wow. My goodness, guys. Take a closer look.
Medium rare.
It smells really good.
All right, ribeye, guys. Mexican ribeye. Oh, I like the flavor.
Is it cooked okay?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice and tender.
Yeah.
Oh, they did a great job. Wow. Oh my heavens.
Mexican steak.
This is like it's like a 9.9 steak.
Really?
Yeah. So like the steak itself is nice and tender. It's good, right? But then the flavoring they put on it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. This is like an 8.5 steak, but then because of the way they cooked it, 9.9 guys. Oh my goodness. Ridiculous. It's so, oh my God. Can't believe I've never been here before. Oh my heavens.
Like the charred pieces. It's got a good
Yeah.
job.
And the potatoes are so tasty. Oh, I got tortillas. It's hidden in this here container. Why did they give you so many tortillas? 1, 2. There's like 5 of them in here or something like that. That's crazy. You want a piece of this? No.
Good, thank you.
It's good for wiping up the plate though.
I have to admit, this is a little tough. It's a durable tortilla. Wow. This is like,
But you got 5 or 6 of them to eat.
yeah, I mean, I have never had a tortilla so durable before in my life.
Would you like a corn
And
one?
that was the
No.
opposite. That was-
Let's see if this is just as durable. You know, this could be like a commercial for durability, where someone holds this and they put something in the middle and you lift it up and they're surprised at how much weight it can hold. You know, this is like,
Yeah. Like a paper towel commercial.
oh, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I got it, guys. I got it. Ah. tortilla.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Are they supposed to be durable like this or no?
Normally they're not.
No?
Not really.
Oh.
But I think the flour ones, it's the gluten from the white flour that makes them
Oh, this one's not. This one's soft.
a little steamier.
Yeah, this one breaks easy. Let me get a durable one.
What do you need, hon?
I didn't try the chicken.
Oh, you know what? Maybe that was just like a couple of like a. Look, this is not right. This is easily broken into pieces. I think maybe I don't know.
Maybe they were overcooked on the griddle or something.
Yeah, maybe that's why they give you 5. You're gonna find the one for those who want durable. You got it. You want regular. You got that too.
Yep.
All right, guys. The meal is over, and let's get the viewers' opinions.
I thought the meal was excellent. Very fresh ingredients. The service was outstanding, and everything was flavorful.
I agree with that. Everything we had was excellent. I'd give it 9.5, 10. Shrimp was okay, but the chicken was great. The steak was excellent, and all the sides were good. Guacamole was a 10.
All right. Very good, guys. Thank you for watching the video over here at Gonzalez y Gonzalez inside the New York Hotel Casino in Las Vegas. New Vegas video every Friday.